All right. Welcome back, everyone. As you all know, I still remain Pido Brand Clay. Today, I'm going to take you through some other important aspects of creating a Word document, and that's none other than creating a table of content. So, on my PC here, I have a Word document that we are going to create a table of content for. So this is my document. It has many pages, of course, but then we're going to create a table of content. So basically, you want to create a table of content. There are these features that we do use. These the styles. You might have come across some of these features, or might have used them, or might have not used them at all, and been wondering what are the uses of these features. So today we are going to learn how to use these features, these styles, basically these styles. So in order to create a table of content, we must first name our headings. So after the acknowledgement, declaration, let's just scroll like this, slowly. Okay, so chapter 1, we can always make our chapter 1 to be our heading 1. Then I think the overview can be our heading 2. So we scroll down. There's these smaller subtitles and subheadings. Okay, we can also edit them as well. So this one can be, what can we name this to be? Let me see, we check from here. So this background can be, let me see, should I say maybe an emphasis. Okay, then we scroll down, point 1, 7, 9. All right, then we have chapter 2 here. So chapter 2 will again be our heading 1. Then the literature review will be our heading 2. Then I don't think this one has an emphasis, so we shall just scroll down. We scroll down, down. All right. Okay, we have chapter 3 here. So our chapter 3, something happened. Our chapter 3 will again be our heading 1. Then the methodology will be our heading 2. So this is 3.0. Let's go down, we scroll down. Okay, so this reference, I think the reference can be like our heading 3, because it's like some other chapter. So we can make the reference to be our heading 3. Then after the reference, I think we shall have the appendix, of course. So our appendix, appendix will be our heading 4. Scroll down. Basically that's it. So we have to go back up and see where we should suit our table of content be. So the table of content is usually after the declaration. So I think you can put it somewhere here. So after that we go to the references. Remember we were the other side capturing information. Down this side we are going to refer to that information we have captured. So we come to the reference, then at the top left corner we have this where it's saying table of contents. So we come there, then we choose from automatic table 1, automatic table 2, or even more. We can even customize our table of content. We can also remove from here, but then let's just go with automatic table 2. So we click on that. After that it will automatically take us to the table of content. So this is our table of content. We have chapter 1 on page 5, then the overview on that very same page 5, chapter 2 on page 11, just like that. So to make your table of content look nice, you have to go through the document page per page per page per page. So another important aspect that we should get to know is how we can update our table of content. So when you come to this, you click on that, then you say update entire table. This is basically done such that when you edit something on some page in the document, it's automatically referred onto the table of content. It's like the table of content also automatically updates itself. So this is basically how we create a table of content in Microsoft Office Word or in a Word document. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and you can as well comment. See you again next time when I drop another video. Thank you very much.